Welcome to Lesson 3. It's time to drive some traffic to your affiliate link. Now, there are a lot of ways to do video on YouTube. If you just type any random product you can think of into the YouTube search bar along with the word review, you'll see a ton of variety. Some people are making physical product reviews in full HD with a studio quality white background. Some are making them at their kitchen table or seated behind a counter. Some are sitting on an immaculately clean sofa in a well-lit living room with a product on a coffee table. Some of these people aren't showcasing a physical product, but rather are just talking about a digital product or service. Some have lapel mics and great audio, and some sound terrible. Some are real people, and some are hired actors reading a script on the cheap from places like Fiverr or Upwork. Either way, these are all called talking head videos because they literally have the speaker on screen. On the flip side, you have screencast videos or slideshow-style videos, which are basically recordings of someone's screen or a recording of a slideshow or text and image presentation with a narration. These videos are more common for digital products, but there are plenty about physical products as well. These might include software walkthroughs, pros and cons lists, product comparisons, or even people just restating the advertised features of the product. Regardless of which style you choose to use, the good news is you don't need to worry about making these studio quality. Most people who search for such and such product review are simply looking for information and assurance that they're not wasting their money. They could care less if you have Hollywood-level audio, professional lighting, or even a clean house behind you. In fact, if a video looks too professional, they might suspect that it's not completely natural or honest. Ironically, a review video is where looking and sounding a bit less classy and more down-to-earth actually works in your favor. People tend to trust people who they think are just ordinary fellow consumers just like them, more than fancy presenters who seem to have a lot of money behind their production. So how do you make these videos? Well, that's easy. If you're making a talking head video, you'll just need a smartphone or a webcam. That's literally it. If you're doing a slideshow style video, you can use something like Windows Movie Maker, just insert text and images, or you can even export a PowerPoint presentation to a .mp4 video file. For screencast and screen recording videos, use a screen capture software like Snagit or Screencast-O-Matic. Once you've uploaded your video file to YouTube by signing into your account and finding the upload button, you'll want to start optimizing it. Be sure to use at least the name of the product and the word review in your video title. You can also type in the year to show it's a newer review. Another thing you might consider is adding the word discount to help your chances of being seen if people are looking for a lower price on the product. Just make sure it's true. For example, if you're promoting or reviewing a product on Amazon, and like many of their products, the price is significantly marked down from retail, then it's perfectly okay to use the word discount in your title. As for your description, you'll want to make this as wordy and keyword-rich as you can. Right at the top, you'll want your call to action or CTA and your affiliate link. This could be something like click here to learn more or use this link to get it now. Or you could get a little more creative and use the discount percentage in your CTA. For example, let's say you're looking at a wallet on Amazon and it's on sale for about $22, but it has a retail price of around $75. In that case, it would be perfectly fair and legitimate to say, save 70% when you buy through this link. And then, of course, paste your link in there. But that's just the first couple lines you want your viewers to see. You want to pack even more in there underneath. If you have a script that you used for the video, just paste that in there. If not, just summarize what you said. Keep in mind you want to ensure your main keywords, namely the product name and the word review, appear in your description at least a few times for SEO purposes. But don't make it so spammy that it gets flagged. Finally, you'll want to choose good keyword tags. Try to find as many ways of saying your product's name and the word review as possible. For example, X review and review of X are two completely different tags that will contribute different SEO values. And then, of course, the name of the product by itself, maybe the name of the product and the word testimonial. Just try as many combinations as you can. That's about all there is to uploading your video. You can now sit back and let YouTube's search algorithms do the work for you, or you can start doing some social sharing and posting. Post a link to the video on Facebook and Twitter. If you have a blog, embed the video in a post there. These backlinks will have the dual purpose of driving real traffic, as well as slightly boosting your SEO. Oh, and one last tip. It's been reported that literally just asking, both in the video and in the description, for people to like, comment, and subscribe can genuinely increase your likes, comments, and subscription. Consider using such a CTA in your video too. Maybe get creative and invite people to opine or disagree with your assessment in the comments section. The more engagement, the better. That's it for this lesson. If you're ready, let's move into the final lesson, establishing your battle plan.